Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your phone number on Santander Consumer USA. If you don't have a Santander Consumer USA account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Account Profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account Profile. On this page, you will see a section for your information. Beside is an option for right arrow. Click on right arrow. Then you will see a section for phone number. Now, beside your current phone number, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. A pop-up window will appear. On the field provided, remove your current phone number. Then enter the new phone number you wish to use. After entering, click on Update. That's how you update your phone number on Santander Consumer USA. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.